Hi, this is Justin from Surfshark. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how do we set up our clients on Onlywire. This syndicates their social media, so we'll be using their Twitter, their Facebook, their Blogger, their Pinterest, their LinkedIn, their Google+, or any other social media platforms that we can link or create for them to then syndicate our articles and our content. So I'll probably provide you with a login, so all you need to do is click login on the top right corner and log in with our information, Surfshark, and the password provided to you. Click sign in. Now here's how we kind of navigate the software. So there's a couple tabs here. Posts. This is the page where we then post our article. So it posts in a certain way, always giving a backlink. So this is basically what we fill out. One thing to consider before we even post anything is our profiles. Here we can see which profile we're using. We can then switch different social media templates and profiles per client. So if I were to click on Areli here, Areli has its own networks and its own posts that we post. So I've already posted this one, and this one gives lets me know where it's been posted. It's been posted on Bitly, Delicious, Herd, Facebook, Facebook page, Feed, Diogo, Imager, Google+, Pocket, Twitter, Tumblr, Skyrock, Plurk, LiveJournal. So basically allowing us to syndicate our content of this little snippet, 6 office cleaning tips, to all of these places at once. Once it's scheduled, that's all we need to do, and the machine does it for us. So that's one thing to consider on this page is our profiles. Let's click on networks. Here is, once we've selected our profile, we come in here and add certain networks to each client. So let's say the client has a Facebook page. We come here. I already have their Facebook page, but we can add it. So we click on add new when we're adding for a client. Let's say it was a new client. Click add new. It wants us to log into Facebook. Go ahead and log in. I'm logged in, so it's trying to get my profile. Of course, you'll need to log into Facebook first. Come here, activate Onlywire, and it adds. It's quite simple. All you need to do is log in, click activate, and that's it. Facebook pages is the exact same thing. Just log in, activate the Facebook page. Same thing with Twitter. And it goes on. Create a Pinterest, create a Google+, LinkedIn, company page, Blogger, High Five. It benefits SEO, so we've created a High Five account. Imager is for images and little short tweets. LiveJournal, Reddit is bookmarking, Tumblr is blogging, so it's connected to their blog. So we actually do a small blog post on their website. With the backlink, of course. Automation. You won't need to use this part of it. It just allows you to kind of automate it from your browser. And support. So let's go back to posts here. That's log out. Viewing as Areli. When we're adding a new client to the Onlywire system to then link up their social media to be able to syndicate new content for them, we want to set up a new profile. So to do that, we need to change what we're viewing as. So right now I'm on the Areli profile. We need to go to Surfshark, which is the admin profile. Swap to that, and then we have this new Enterprise tab open up. So go ahead and click on Enterprise, and here we can then add new profiles. So we would come in here and click Add New, and fill out the information. So let's say it's for our drugaddictionscenter.com. Username, I'll probably give it Drug Addiction Center. The email, I'll give it info@drug. That's our email, and then I'm going to go ahead and set a password. I'll probably give it one of our passwords here. Try to use the same password you used to log in so that all of our passwords are at least the same. Click Add User, and now we have a profile. So let's go to Networks, swap profiles to Drug Addiction Center, and now we're going to add some profiles. So I'm going to go ahead and add a Facebook page. So it happened to be on my account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log into my personal account. It's going to load up some pages that I own. So I'm just going to go ahead and add Drug Addiction Center. That's the only one I'm going to add, because that's the only one that's required for this profile. So I've added one Facebook page, Drug Addiction Center. Now let's go ahead and add the Twitter. Let's go ahead and find my Twitter name. My Twitter handle is at Drug Center. Okay. Oops. Okay, click activate. I'm already logged in as this Twitter profile, so make sure you log in. Click authorize app. And we're done. We've now authorized our Twitter. I do not have a Facebook, Google Plus page, but most of our clients we will. If you are our link builder and you're doing link building and backlinking for our clients, of course I'd expect you to fill in the Pinterest account. If not, create a Pinterest. Let me go through the profiles that are required. I would just need a Facebook page per client. I think we should only post on our Facebook page. Facebook group, maybe we can ignore that for clients. Twitter is required, so every client should have a Twitter. Google Plus we need, Pinterest we need, LinkedIn company page is fine. You can skip AOL, you can skip app.net. Bitly is good, please make a profile there. Blogger is needed, so we'll make a profile on Blogger. Delicious, make a profile. Diogo, make a profile. FeedSpot, make a profile. High Five, make a profile. Imager, make a profile. Instapaper, make a profile. LiveJournal, you need a profile there. It's a well-known blogging website. You can skip My AOL. Newsvine, make a profile. Plurk, make a profile. Pocket, make a profile. Reddit, make a profile. Skyrock, make a profile. That's very important. Slashdot, you can make a profile. Tagged, you can make a profile. Tumblr, you can make a profile. WordPress and Xing, you can make a profile as well. All of these are needed. So make sure all of our clients have a profile there. Once this is complete and all of our social media is made and connected properly, we've created a profile and then come here and activated it, then we're ready to start posting. So let's say we go to posts and we're going to write a new post for Drug Addiction Center. So I'm going to go ahead and put our URL in this format. So it's http://drugaddictionscenter.com, and we're going to give it a title. I'm going to use a fresh post off the website. I'm not going to use what populates. I'm actually going to put fresh content. So I'm going to go to our site. Okay, and if either our article writer will give you an article, or you can pull it off our Google Drive, or you could grab it off GetFlow, and one of our writers should have posted on GetFlow for you. But I'm going to go ahead and get one of the newest posts, which is called What is Rehab? I'm going to use this title. Drug Addiction Center, maybe I'll put something like that. What is Rehab? I'm going to take a small snippet from our article, put it here, because I think we have a limited amount of characters. Let's actually test that. Let's see if we can post the remainder. Oh, I'm sure we can. So let's actually grab the whole article. What is Rehab? Grab this entire article and post it. Okay, only a certain length is going to be posted. Yeah, I think there is a limit. So as you can see, it didn't post everything, but it posted a lot, maybe 200 words. So we're going to go ahead and use this. Click share, and now it's scheduled to share in our social media. So I can go to bed, I can go to work, I can do anything else, and this machine is going to go ahead and post our backlinks for us. So once this is scheduled, you don't do anything else, just continue on to the next client. If you would like to post this right away, all we need to do is click send now, and it will be posted immediately. So let's go back to our Twitter, and we can now see connect with the closest. Let's give it a second, and we actually should see our post appear here soon. Send now, we can check. Scheduled. So it hasn't been posted yet. It's going to be scheduled at this time. So I'm not going to wait and have it scheduled. I'm going to trust that that's going to be posted, and you guys can do the same. And that's how you set up clients and use the Onlywire syndication software.